The Brewing America company sent us this great cold coffee filter jar. I love that they have this set up. It has a great lid with a secondary lid for when you're ready to pour. You can pour straight from this smaller area here. And when you close it, and if you screw that down, it's completely waterproof. I mean, spill proof. So I'm going to take that off. This is the way it comes. Make sure that that little rubber seal is all the way up at the top. And then I'm going to put coffee in here. I did use their directions inside. I looked at those first to make sure I was doing it properly. And they do say if you're grinding the coffee in the store or at home, do a coarse grind. So I'm going to pour it in here. There we go. So it does say to leave a little bit of room at the top because you want the water to have room to go in and filter around the coffee grounds. So you're going to fill it up with water. I'm going to use this filtered water here. Allowing a little area at the top helps that water to have room to flow through. Now your coffee grounds are going to bubble just a little bit. That's just part of the oxidation of, the oxygen getting out of the grounds and things like that. So they suggest you get it as full as you can for now and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then add a little more water to top it off. Then you're going to put the lid on it and you're going to put it in the fridge, or you can do it on your counter. And it does tell you the directions for each way. If you want it in the fridge, it's going to take you 24 to 48 hours. If you leave it on the counter, it's going to take 12 to 24 hours. And either way is fine. If you do it in the fridge, it lasts a little longer, but it also takes a little longer before you can use it. So I'm going to do mine on the counter because I'm anxious to try it tomorrow. So I'm going to leave mine out. But I highly recommend you check out Brewing America.